Those are
nice.
I like those, but I wouldn't wear them. I need a mirror.
I don't like the shoes, is what I tried. No, I don't like the. I want it all
What do you
black.
think about these?
They're cool, sort of.
The traditional van. My foot's too fat for a platform. What do you think?
Fucking lit, bro.
You get my good side. Fucking.
These, or these.
Omar, talk like.
Get the fuck out of here.
Why can't we match? Muscle. I could have done. They talk about personal places visits. They just have like keep paying attention to Got a cool new bag. Got a cool new bag now.
Damn, bro. We should just get like 10 motherfuckers back there.
Oh, look at the truck now that it's leveled. Okay. I guess who gives a fuck? Let's just get in the truck. Guys, we're gonna make the transition from this camera to the GoPro. Ready? Go. Now it's getting all of us.
Is it really?
Yeah, it has a wide angle.
Damn. I'm wanted
Why
by
the
the FBI.
fuck do you guys want a
He
goddamn?
said I'm wanted by the FBI.
That you bring to me. My last girl would tear me apart, but she never wanna split a thing with me. But when it comes to you, I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Do things when you want me to. Let control. Let control.
Let's gonna show us how to use chopsticks. Ready?
Hey, work?
It worked. You just gotta stab everything.
You know Omar? Get up. I'm a mess right now.
What's it hot? You got like 5 grams of rice and shit right there.
I can't do it.
They brought the Subi. Remember the white one they were showing us?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the ones on the side? That one.
My eye just changed. Just was the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait? Made plans for you, and I won't let them fall through. I think I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jodeci cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Like controller, controller. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow.
This is clean.
Controller, controller. Like controller, controller. And I'm never gonna waste
I think this is somebody's. No, this is somebody's. This has a regular plate. Yeah, this is definitely somebody's. It has regular plates.
Oh, look at it.
But you can't just listen to me tell my story. Can't listen to me talk and go tell my story.
Making alarms go off. drifts.
Does she?
Yeah, she has about 240 outside.
We need to be her friends.
She gave me her number, her cell phone number. Okay, so we looked at a bike. Not 100% yet. And we're driving around Chandler looking for another bike place because nobody remembers where it's at. And I'm getting yelled at because I don't know where it's at.
You told me to take this freeway, homie.
Yeah, but I didn't tell you to get off here.
Exactly. I would have kept going to fucking Mexico if you didn't tell me to get off here.
Mexico is the complete opposite direction. Okay, so once we get there, we will be back because
Omar's sucking dick.
they're doing nothing but fucking fighting over here.
Oh, fucking butt fuck both of you. Is that a cop and that white?
We just did a burnout. Maggie smashed my crack cocaine. It's alright. We're good, guys.
Oh my god.
We didn't die.
That's your cigarettes. I'm sorry. I was trying to hold on.
Now, first, we're gonna see inside and tell them that we're looking for a bike. This is pretty sick.
If you got that bike,
I'll let you ride it.
This blue one's nice.
It was a $1,000 car.
first bike I learned how to ride on. Well, on the street. First bike I ever rode on the street.
Alright, you have a good one.
Good, how are you?
What up?
Nah.
Nope.
Well, come on inside. I'll show you more fun stuff. It's kind of a sneak preview.
I see that.
When you're ready, Russell, come inside. I will.
When you're done admiring it.
Oh no, I am. This one. Oh, cool. Bigger than I thought.
Okay, let me double check.
Oh, yeah. I look at this.
And stuff like that.
I just want to see if I can get one first.
Okay. How old are you by chance?
Fuck a bad, bro. Fucking 4 to 5.
Oh! 88, brother. 48.
48, brother. Does that mean I can test drive it if I got my motorcycle?
Yeah, you can even turn it on.
Well,
you guys always say 88, brother. 48, brother. It was meant to be.
48, brother.
48, brother. It's pretty badass, bro.
She said you can just ask
No,
her. She'll start it up for you.
If you want any bikes to start up, she'll turn them on for you.
Oh, sorry, she
Bro, that CBR.
She's over there.
The CBR is only how much?
68.
No, dude.
What?
Oh, dog, I'm about to get a Harley, dog.
How much is this?
I don't know. Don't show.
I could see you in that.
Then Russell probably gave me on a date, but you see me.
When I hop on the boost, I'm like,
I know. Then he helps on the boost and the little 600 doesn't look so fast no more.
no, honestly, dude, if you fucking do it too, ECU and shit on that bitch, you keep up with the boost. You can make it 600 faster than the boost if it works.
So right now Russell and I are on offer up
To see what little project we can get.
to see what little project we can get. Build it, make it fast, and just get rid of it.
They make another motherfucker fast. They make another motherfucker fast.
And just keep doing it.
They make another motherfucker faster.
What about this Jetta? Oh, it's automatic.
Dude, a 2016 Fiat 500 pop.
You see? You fucking stepped on my new shoes, man.
I'm sorry.
I'll take yours back and buy me new ones.
You'll take your motherfucking attitude out of this goddamn truck.
Let me look for some real cars. You fucking suck. Go
Is that why you didn't want to drive, so you could look for some real cars, even though you really don't know how to look for real cars? Because I found a first gen.
That's the I-17. It's gonna be when you know when we go to Bridges. You know how there's a gas station right there. You pass that little gas. I'll show you.
What about a 5-speed maximum?
What about this one right here?
All right, so we're gonna go to a JDM store because apparently there's a JDM store. Tell me about the ride. What did you think about the ride?
Well, it was great.
Why?
Because apparently you're spinning around, and apparently every time you get dizzy.
Oh, that Beamer's nice.
Where?
Right here, behind us.
Where?
Behind us! Oh, Beamer. And that JDM store's got what?
What is that one?
Motherfucking motors that we're gonna buy.
It comes with motors and
you should have probably left out the clutch, bro.
Everything that you need when
So
you
I
get
hit the guy with 550?
Why is this car not moving?
Well,
Everybody else is moving besides us.
Because
This lane can't have that many cars. Oh, so that means there's probably a car fucking stuck. Yep, I'm going to the left side.
damn.
Thank you for choosing Marriott. Oh, we got the fucking
Are you
train.
fucking shitting?
We have the train. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we forgot to end yesterday's vlog. Yesterday all we did, what did we do when we came home? We were coming home. We got home.
Then
Just chilled.
we went to go see that little Honda.
Oh yeah.
Oh no. Okay, first we came home, we chilled, looked at cars for a good like 3 hours.
Forever.
And then it was like around 8 when somebody finally hit us back up, and we went to go look at this ugly ass fucking Honda that we were supposed to go pick up today, but he still didn't even text.
And we tried to go get a trailer, and then the trailer place was closed, so that was probably a good thing because we didn't end up with the car.
Yeah, the
Or else they
guy
would've
was
ended up
like
with the car.
low-key kind of tweaking, a little
The
scary.
better one for tomorrow, maybe.
And the dude was hella tweaking.
There will be another video tomorrow, obviously. Trying to post one every day. Your mom thinks I look ugly with long hair. She says I'm gonna end it. Oh yeah. Sorry. So
Just tell him the freaking you're gonna get a better whip for tomorrow.
we are still looking. We did find one. Don't know if we will be bringing it home tomorrow, but if we do, you will see it in tomorrow's vlog. So keep watching, subscribe, and you know what to do.
Full B20B swap out of a 97 CRV. I was talking about her. It's full B20B swap out of a 97 CRV, 1320 straight ears, full Type RS exhaust, 2-step tune. It's tuned for a turbo.
Okay, so guys, we're looking at another car right now from OfferUp. It is a Civic. So we'll see. It smells like French fries out here.
Did you get it? Look, the rest of it's already sent it down so it can paint it.
Yeah, it's already ready for that. It's got, like I said, it's got a full exhaust on it already. There's nothing really need to do with that.
Oh, it's completely dead.
Yeah.
Come the fuck on.
The freaking fuel pump is loud.
Yeah.
What kind of fuel pump is it?
I don't know. They put it on when they had to tune the car. I just know that I was able to put 750 injectors in it because
So maybe
stock,
like a
I was just
Right.